Hi, I'm Pranit. This is final project deliverable for Team 13. In this project, we designed a Python based application for event detection using Twitter API. And in this project, there are two factors that are going to help us filter out the data. The first one will be the custom meta tags, which will help us to filter out the Twitter data into different categories. And the second one will be the user's geolocation, which will help us to fetch the data from the fetch the event data from the surroundings of the user's geolocation, and all this data will be stored into a CSV formatted file. And this CSV formatted file is going to contain multiple parameterized values that we fetch from Twitter API, and we need to clean the data to get a good and usable data. So we wrote a pandas module to filter the data that we fetched, and in this module we'll be using custom parameters that will be helpful for this project to filter the data. And the filtered data again will be stored into the ASC clean CSV for formatted file, and this data is again we are going to represent using a JavaScript file in a tabular format. And for in this project there are three main ontology files: the event category, and the event tweet data, and lastly the user data and user data. And for this project we deployed three remote AWS EC2 instances of Fuseki for the three separate ontology files to run the queries, the SparkQL queries to fetch the data. And the first one will be event category, and the second one will be tweet data, and the third one will be the user data instance. So these are the three separate instances of ontologies where we can run the queries, the SparkQL queries, to fetch the data that we stored in the CSV files. The CSV files will be converted into RDF formatted files, so we can upload them into the Fuseki, which will be helpful while running the queries to get the data, the filtered data. And finally, the contributions in the project. Sanjana Mukundan did the ontologies and triple datas, and also helped to host the dataset and run the SparkQL queries. And Yogalina Mandalapu helped worked on API to fetch data from Twitter and worked on front-end scripting. And Yashwant Damtanur also worked on data collection and pre-processing and data cleaning for the project. And Saiteja Reddy Chila helped to work on the front-end scripting and also included SparkQL query creations. And finally, me myself, Praneeth, worked on server-side scripting and worked on APIs to fetch the data for the project. Thank you.